To the 2024 Lok Sabha poll results, the Congress party held its first CWC meeting, and the party top brass, including Mallikarjun Kharge, Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, along with the other leaders, were present there. The party's performance in the 2024 Lok Sabha polls and measures to strengthen the party were discussed in the meeting. However, there are two big takeaways from the CWC meeting. First, the Congress party claims that the result of the 2024 Lok Sabha polls was a moral loss for the Prime Minister. The BJP has, however, hit back at the Congress, saying the Prime Minister won the people's mandate and that it was a moral defeat, in fact, for the Congress party. Listen in to the reactions.
The verdict of the people is not just a political loss, but a moral defeat for the Prime Minister, who sought the mandate in his name and ran a campaign anchored in lies, hate, prejudice, divisiveness and extreme bigotry.
Now, that, of course, was a statement that came in from the Congress party. Remember, Prime Minister Modi, while addressing the NDA, had asked, what is the Congress party celebrating after their defeat in the Lok Sabha polls? Listen in.
आप सोचिए 10 साल बाद भी कांग्रेस 100 के आंकड़े को नहीं छू पाई। और अगर मैं 14, 19 और 24 तीन चुनावों को जोड़ करके कहूं, कांग्रेस के तीन चुनाव जोड़ूं, तो इन तीन चुनावों में जितनी सीटें मिली है, उससे ज्यादा हमें इस चुनाव में मिली है। यानी कितनी निराशा लेकर के ये लोग मैदान में आए थे कि उन्होंने पूरा हमला उसी इंस्टीट्यूट पे लगा दो, ताकि चुनाव के कोई भी परिणाम आए, हम दुनिया के सामने भारत को भी बदनाम कर लें। ये षड्यंत्र का हिस्सा था दोस्तों। योजनाबद्ध तरीके से देश को हिंसा की आग में झोंकने का बयान दिए जाते थे। यहां इकट्ठे होना, यहां पहुंचना, यहां करना। कुछ लोग इस चीज को गंभीर नहीं लेते हैं, लेकिन ये बहुत गंभीर है। आप भारत के लोकतंत्र को, पहले उसकी व्यवस्था को अनादर करते हो, अब परिणाम आने से पहले एक ऐसा माहौल बना दो कि बस आग लगा देंगे। हमारे संस्कार ऐसे हैं कि विजय की गोद में उन्माद पैदा नहीं होता है और न ही पराजित लोगों के प्रति उपहास करने के हमारे संस्कार है।
Now, let's tell you about the second takeaway. Rahul Gandhi should accept the leader of opposition post. That's the chorus that came in from within the Congress party. The Congress Working Committee passed a resolution to elect Rahul Gandhi to be appointed as the leader of opposition. The Congress General Secretary K.C. Venugopal said that the party leaders requested Rahul Gandhi to accept the position, and he has not yet decided on the same.
CWC unanimously requested Sri Rahul Gandhi ji to take the leader of the opposition position in Lok Sabha. All the participants unanimously put up their views on this issue. Everybody was unanimous that Rahul ji should take leader of the opposition position in the Lok Sabha. Rahul ji is the best person to lead this campaign inside the parliament. This is what the CWC's view.
140 करोड़ जनता की जो मांग है, हमारा भी वही मांग है। राहुल गांधी जी हैज टू टेक पोजीशन एज ए लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन, क्योंकि ये 10 साल से नरेंद्र मोदी जी सरकार जो किसानों के खिलाफ आवाज उठाए, बेरोजगारी में धोखा दिए, ऐसे सब सारे जनता को जो धोखा दिए, ये सब सारे मौके पे राहुल गांधी जी ने जिम्मेदारी उठाए। ये किसानों के लिए, बेरोजगार युवता के लिए, महिलाओं के लिए राहुल गांधी लगातार लड़ते रहा है।
Now, the Congress leaders have told Times Now that during the meeting, the party president Mallikarjun Kharge had told Rahul Gandhi not to be scared of the leader of opposition post and to accept it because it is the need of the hour.
Rahul Gandhi should be was proposed as the leader of opposition.
Yeah, that also. Almost all leaders expressed that opinion about Rahul Gandhi should be taken as opposition leader.
What did he say? Did he accept, or he said that it will take some time?
No, he is not. He did not say anything. But party has requested him, and almost all leaders also request him. Finally, Congress president also request him to take up.